What is going on, guys? I am C69. He is Birdie.
Hi.
We are back with another pack opening. Now, this is a Kit Kat pack opening. This is such a rare pack. This is actually amazing. I have heard distant rumors that all of these can be chocolate.
Let me show him the pack. Look, there's like crisp in the middle.
Crispy wafers. I've heard rumors that all of them can have wafers and be chocolate. Though, those are just rumors. I don't believe them myself. Every other Kit Kat pack I've opened, they just bean boozle me with a white chocolate one. Like, what's up with that?
That's terrible.
But today, I have a good feeling about this upside down Kit Kat's pack.
Is there a raccoon on the baseball field?
It looks like it.
What is that?
That looks
Can
like
you
a
zoom in
raccoon.
on that?
I zoomed in on it. It's kind of hard to see.
Anyways,
Wait, let me zoom out.
there is various animals on the baseball field, but whatever. We're doing a Kit Kat pack opening. I have a really good feeling about this. Okay, what's gonna be first? Not looking. Oh, this looks like a good pack. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is hype right now. Starting off with a milk chocolate. Let's go.
Break it in half.
Birdie has that.
Check
Break
it
it in half. Does it have wafers? Does it have wafers?
Come on, please don't.
Oh, it has wafers. Oh my gosh.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. No, you can't.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Wait, that's
We
awesome.
only need 3 more, and we have completed the rarest Kit Kat challenge ever. Next one. Okay, we have it halfway.
It's
a chocolate! Oh my gosh. Test. It has wafers! Oh my gosh! Birdie! Your pack look is so good! You bought this for me! Oh my gosh! Only 2 left. We're halfway there! I'm not even looking! Neither can you! Oh my gosh! It's chocolate!
Yeah!
There's one left! It's a wafers! Please be wafers!
I see 'em.
Don't be
Chocolate.
not wafers! It's wafers! Oh my gosh! This is so hype right now! Oh my gosh. There's one more left. There's one more left. If this is chocolate,
And wafers.
I will jump off that. I will jump off that.
Pack and pain.
Pack
2
and pain
cases.
to the extreme. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If this is chocolate,
Please be
I am
chocolate.
done here. It's chocolate!
Oh! What about the wafers? Check the wafers. Check for the wafers. I'll do it. Go! Commit suicide!
Hey! Oh my gosh! We completed the greatest.
good?
We completed the greatest Kit Kat challenge. I'll be right back, where I will jump off that. See you then, dude. I'm on a high on pack luck right now. It's the greatest drug ever. You should try it. Okay, I'm gonna be jumping this.
Wait, look at how high this is.
Like, look how high this is. It's all the way down there.
That's really high.
Are you ready for this? I'm gonna be hopping it.
Let's go.
3, 1, 2.
C. Plumley 69. He was a good man. Committed suicide over a Kit Kat pack. What do you have to say?
One more pour for a great, great man. One more pour from your sponsor.